Hello everyone and welcome back to another video from Webtech Tutorial. In this video, I'm going to show you how to reset your forgotten password on your Apple ID. So let's get started right away. First of all, just open up your web browser and then in the address bar type in appleid.apple.com and press enter. You will then be taken into the official Apple ID website. Now to sign into your account, simply click on the sign in button and you will be asked to enter your email address and your password. Now if you have forgotten your password, simply click on the forgot password button and you will be asked to verify your identity by entering your email address or your phone number. So simply type in either one of those and then type in the captcha code that you see on the screen. Then click on the continue button and now you will be asked to enter the other account information that is associated with your account. If you entered your phone number earlier, then you might be asked to enter your email address, and if you entered your email address, you will be asked to enter your phone number. So simply type in either one of those and click on the continue button and then click on the send code button to get the verification code that you can use to reset your password. After you receive the code, simply enter it in the verification box and click on the continue button. You will then be asked to enter a code that is sent to your email address as well. Click on the send code button once again and then just go ahead and check your inbox. Within your inbox, you will find the verification code sent from Apple. So just enter this code within the verification box once again and click on continue. Finally, you will be allowed to create your new password. So just go ahead and type in your new password and then type it in once again to confirm it. Then finally click on continue. And now you will see a notification which tells you that your password has been reset. And now you can use your newly set password to sign in to your Apple ID. And there you have it. That is how easy it is to reset your forgotten password on your Apple ID. If you find this video helpful, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe to our channel if you haven't done so already. Also ring that notification bell to never miss another update from us. Thank you for watching and I will see you again in the next video.